Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Spotify liked songs not showing problem. So our first solution is we need to update our Spotify app. To do that, go to your Play Store and search for Spotify. If you see any update available here, then update your Spotify app from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our Spotify app cache files. To do that, open your phone settings. Search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Now tap on Spotify. Tap on storage usage. Clear cache. Clear data. And then go to your Spotify and check the problem if fixed or not. And the third solution is we need to uninstall our current Spotify and we need to reinstall it. So uninstall your Spotify and go to Play Store and reinstall it. And the last and final solution is we need to install an older version of Spotify app. But before doing that, you will need to uninstall your current Spotify app and then go to your browser and type here older version of Spotify and open the first link. Scroll down and from this list you can download any older version. Just tap on the version name which you want to download and tap on download and the Spotify app will be downloaded to your device. Now install the app, log in into your account and enjoy the app. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.